Channel. In this video, I will share with you how to update an app on MacBook. So the first thing, open the App Store app. So search for App Store. Open this app or this app called App Store. First, you will land on this Discover page. So to check for app updates, click on Updates, and here you will see the apps that have updates you can do. So for example, the Keynote app there is an update available for this app called Keynote. Let's click on More to go. This update contains bug fixes and performance improvement. To update this app, simply click on Update and wait a moment. By the way, you can pause the update and you can also resume it. But and this is how to check, or this is how to update an app on MacBook. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.